Hi guys, how are you today? How to make use Revolve in SolidWorks with Helix Sweep Cut by SolidWorks 2017 software. We learn it. At first open the SolidWorks software, then go to File and click New and click Part and click OK. Now go to front plane and sketch. Now go to helix. Now helix use and give the dimension helix 100. Okay, select. Now this point control this point horizontal. Now they are fully defined. Now go to isometric view and feature and extrude from mid plane. Now here 100 extrude. Okay. Now this plane sketch. Go to normal tool and draw the circle here and give the dimension 90. Okay, select. Now go to isometric view again and feature and extrude cut. Okay. Now go to again this plane and sketch and go to normal tool and draw the circle here and this circle convert entities. This circle control this line tangent. Okay, now they are fully defined. Now go to isometric view and feature and extrude. Now extrude 20. Okay. Now again this plane and sketch. Go to normal tool. Now draw the circle here. Select. This circle convert entities. Now this line control this circle tangent. Okay, now they are fully defined. Now go to again isometric view and feature and extrude. Now we can extrude 70. Okay. Now go to this plane and sketch. Go to normal tool. Now draw the circle to origin and give the dimension. Give the dimension 35. Okay, select. Now go to feature and extrude cut. Okay. Now go to isometric view and go to circular pattern and select this box. Select direction, pattern axis direction. Here select extrude cut. Now our need 6. There are select 6. Okay. Okay. Now go to this plane and sketch. Now this line convert entities. Now go to feature and helix. Exit. Now go to feature now this plane and sketch. This line convert entities. Now go to feature and helix. Now here select height and revolution. Now there you can use height 65 and revolution 10. Okay, now go to reference plane, now select the plane here, go to isometric view, now plane select, now just now here select, now again go to isometric view and select here reference plane and this point and helix select. Okay, now go to this plane and sketch. Now draw the circle here and give the dimension, circle 5. Okay, select, now just move. Now this point control this helix pierce. Okay, now again control Z, this point control this helix pierce. Okay, now go to this plane height, you can this plane exit this plane height. Now go to sweep cut, just select circle and here select path. Okay, now you can this helix height. Now go to isometric view and now go to front plane and mirror, just mirror cut sweeps. Okay, now you can have front plane and reference plane after 50. Okay, select, now this plane and sketch. Now draw the normal tool, this circle cone by entities. Okay, now go to right plane and sketch. Now draw the circle here and give the dimension circle 5. Select, now this point control this circle pierce. Now go to feature again and exit and sweep cut, circle select, just here select the path. Okay, now you can give the circle dimension 3. Normal tool and give the circle dimension 3. Okay, exit. Okay, now go to isometric view and this plane height Now go to shaded tools. Okay, now you can use materials. Okay, now we use brush. Make our job. Thank you all everyone, share and like. If have any ask, you can write comment box.